In Typhoon Family, Kang Tae-poon grew up rich, confident, and carefree, a perfect symbol of Korea's orange tribe. In the 1993, everything seemed possible. But when the IMF crisis hit in 1997, the confidence cracked. For Korea, it wasn't just an economic shock. It changed the way people worked, lived, and even dreamed. Today, I will share how the IMF crisis started in Korea and how we reshaped Korean society. Before the crisis, most people believed hard work always guaranteed success. A stable job meant safety, and a company was like a family. Korea's economy was growing fast, maybe too fast. Big companies borrowed heavily from overseas, and banks kept lending without much cushion. It looked like endless progress, but much of it was built on short-term debt. Then came 1997, the Asian financial crisis started in Thailand and spread quickly across Asia. Foreign investors pulled their money out, and Korea suddenly ran out of dollars. By November, the government had no choice but to ask the International Monetary Fund, the IMF, for a bailout. Thousands of workers lost their jobs, shops and factories shut down, and many families broke under the pressure. That's when a new term appeared, the IMF generation. Children who watched their parents lose jobs and learned early what instability felt like. After the crisis, everything inside the companies changed. Lifetime employment was gone, and performance now decided who stayed and who left. Co-workers were no longer family. They became competitors chasing the same promotion. For young people, the job market turned into a battlefield. English scores, certificates, internships, everything became a race for survival. Parents pushed it harder, and children grew up under constant pressure to achieve. The way Koreans worked, studied, and even defined success was completely rewritten during this period. Korea recovered faster than anyone expected. By 2001, all IMF debts were paid back, and the country became a global example of economic recovery. But even after the numbers improved, the social impact didn't fade. The sense of insecurity stayed, and the culture of competition became even stronger. Today, Korea is seen as a wealthy, advanced country, but problems like youth unemployment, job stress, and inequality still remain. The crisis ended more than 25 years ago, but the mindset increased to work harder, save more, and never let your guard down still shapes Korean society today. Did your country ever experience an economic crisis that completely changed the society? Share your thoughts in the comments. And thanks for watching today. 안녕!